How to save WhatsApp DP. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. Now in this video, we'll figure out if we can really save WhatsApp DP or not. Firstly, press and hold onto your WhatsApp application and head to App Info. Force stop it and head to Storage and Cache to clear up the cache. It will help with the bug issue. Open up your Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. In here, if there was an update, you have to simply leave it for an update. Now moving on to the main part about saving WhatsApp DP, tap on the user and then tap on the username of the person of whose your DP you want to save. Now as you can see, when I tap open this person DP, the screen automatically went black. There is no such save option in WhatsApp DP as well. So what about screenshotting it? As you can see, I tried screenshotting this DP, but it is not allowed by WhatsApp. So here's the thing. You cannot actually save WhatsApp DP of any user that you want. It is due to the update of the privacy and safety policy of WhatsApp. And that is all for this video as well. We hope that it was informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.